Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I'm going to show you how you can view all the tasks that are assigned to your team members. If you're using a free version of Asana, unfortunately you don't have this awesome view here where you can see all the tasks assigned to all team members in one window. But I will show you what you can do so you can still see all the tasks assigned to each team member. Now, instead of going through each individual project and taking a mental note of what tasks everyone has, you can actually just use the search function to get a better view of the assigned tasks. Now, for the free version, all you have to do is just type in the person's name. Click on their name, and you can see all the tasks that are assigned to them, and you can see the projects that it's assigned in, as well as any due dates. And I believe you can also see tags that are assigned to that task as well. What you can also do is favorite this search so that it'll appear in your favorites section. And just click on this little star here and it'll add it to your favorites. Now if I find somebody else and do the same thing, I can now just cycle through them instead of just typing in the search. If you're using the premium or the business version of Asana, you'll want to do an advanced search. So just go to advanced search, and then you're going to want to add all of your team members in the assigned to section. Select incomplete and then search. And then you'll want to sort it by the assignee. And then you can save this report for future reference. Just go to the reports section here, and then you can see it is right here, assigned tasks, and it'll always appear here. So if I scroll through this, there it is. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this valuable, and if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any other Asana tips videos.